Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin is down, Egold is holding strong, whatever you guys are tweeting, because I can see the tweets, by the way. And the BitBoy saga continues. Now, it came to a twisted turn which I could not see it coming, and I'm just gonna share my opinion in 1 second or maybe 20 seconds tops, because at this point I really don't believe that this is not artificial. I think this is all staged, and yeah, I mean, everything is just happening way too fast in order to change your mind this fast and come to confessions and stuff like that. So let's start and then we go to the chart. Okay, so we start with this video which was shared like a couple hours ago, 2 hours ago actually. And this is TJ, one of the main guys now. I mean, he's the boss apparently, and this is BitBoy with his wife. He says that this is very hard to do, and he cries in the video. He says that he had an affair, he cheated on his wife, not that anybody cares or that is relevant, because it's not. Everybody just puts their thingy wherever they want. It's unbelievably irrelevant. Okay, this is unbelievably irrelevant, and this is the thing, because 2 days ago he said in a podcast that he's gonna sue the whole BitBoy crypto squad. I mean, not the squad because that is the community, but the company, the holdings, and defamation trial and everything what you can imagine, and that, yeah, he's not on drugs. I mean, he says that, yeah, I am not a relapse, but he kind of on a relapse. So he kind of confirms everything the guys from BitBoy Crypto, the company, said. And he also said that if I want this to work, if I want this community to go forward, the company is so big that I need to find a way to work with these guys. So yeah, in summary, they created a huge drama, a huge stage, and now all the YouTubers are talking about them, which obviously is happening. They lost some subscribers, but I think they were counting on getting way more subscribers at Ben's return. So yeah, this wasn't very sympathetic for me, and I think I'm gonna just continue not watching them, because this was, yeah, I don't know what was this, but it was unnecessary, and I just can't wrap my head around it. Honestly, I just can't wrap my head around it. Whatever, let's go forward, because Bitcoin just crashed back. We went back to 26,000, and yeah, I mean, this is what I was thinking. This is what I said in my previous video. I said that this is like a hype pump. I don't trust them. It's not sustainable, and we couldn't see it from the chart. We couldn't see it from the buyers. Therefore, this hype pump probably will be deleted very fast. While editing, I also found out, I mean, I checked on the internet, and the BlackRock ETF was rejected, and it is delayed by the SEC on 37th of August, which was yesterday, and probably that is why Bitcoin crashed back. This doesn't really prove anything else than there is hype pump and hype crash. So yeah, that's the reason Bitcoin crashed back. We are back to square one. We can continue to accumulate. So yeah, happy buying. In the meantime, on Egold, something else happened, and I'm gonna talk about that as well. However, I want to make sure that my prediction is still there, because as you remember on my video before, like 3-4 before, I still have my buy orders. Okay, I haven't changed them. I still have my buy orders at $24,000 and at $21,000 somewhere here, because that is what I think the price will touch. I don't know if 100% will happen, but that is what I think the price will touch. I do think that we will have a flash crash. I do think that they will manipulate it so everybody loses some kind of money, so people would sell it, and then they will start to accumulate, and it will start to pump and to go up. Yes, this what happened here is not a good way. Okay, this is not how everything starts. Everything starts with a nice accumulation, and it looks like this. So maybe we had this one right now here, and therefore we might just go way lower or just a bit lower. We don't know it yet, and we need these higher lows. We need this struggle. We need this sideways action for a bit longer in order to turn around, because right now we are in a downtrend. Yes, we are in a downtrend. This is a much smaller downtrend than the uptrend we were in. we broke out from. And yeah, we need to go through the potholes here, otherwise we are not gonna see a sustainable pump. Okay, that is the thing. Therefore, I'm not surprised that Bitcoin just came back to $26,000. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back to 24, 25, or even 20. That is my bottom target. If it goes back to $20,000 around there, then I'm gonna start to buy in crazy. Now, in the meantime, let's check what happened on Egold, because that is much more interesting. Now, the day before yesterday, we discussed that if Egold can hold this price, this target, then we might have a trend pivot. As you can see, Bitcoin went up, it pulled up Egold's price as well, and then Bitcoin crashed to 26,000 or went down 26,000. I don't really want to call it a crash. And after which Egold just went down. It bounced from this huge support, which is coming from all these buying pressures. And now it is again back up and above this support, which created just in 2 days. Now, this is obviously the 1 hour chart, so we need to be careful how we interpret everything. However, right now, it kind of seems that the price stopped here, okay? On the 4 hour, we do have a rejection from the line. We have 2 already, so that's why I said that if the price doesn't confirm to stay above this line, then we need to wait, okay? We need to wait. Now, obviously, these big wicks are not something which I like to see, because it means that it wanted to go that way. There was some buying power, people bought in, and the price was restored to $26. If there will be another rejection on this line here, then probably we will go lower. I don't think that this will catch it again, because it was tried out too many times. Therefore, what I'm waiting right now is to see whether we break out or not. If we do, then long. If we don't, then short. Okay, that is the play here, and that is what we need to take into account. In the meantime, X-Day speakers are rolling in. If you are excited, let me know what you think about these people. If you are looking forward to see what they are gonna talk about. Already lots of people. I mean, we know Ahmed, for example, from Hatom. CEO at Genesio. I don't know Genesio. I know Osmosis, Cosmos, of course. Tada, this is a new project. Stake Capital Group, I know them, and I know Flavin Mania, who is the CEO of Beware Labs. I interviewed him actually, and yeah, he has lots of things, lots of interesting things to say. So make sure that you watch him. Let me know in the comments what you think about the speakers. Let me know why you want to go to X-Day and whether the price makes you thinking about not going. I mean, it shouldn't, obviously. I mean, it's for network, to get some new merch, to get some new information. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a good one. Let me know what you think in the comments, obviously, and we can discuss further when more speakers are coming in. Make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, because you are helping me a lot with that. I could see some subscribers are coming, some people pressing the subscribe button, which is highly appreciated. So make sure that you keep it up, because that's how you help the channel. Press the like button if you like the content. Send me any questions on YouTube here in the comment section, or on Twitter. Tag me, whatever you'd like to discuss about it. We are obviously going to continue to discuss about Egold, about what is happening with Bitcoin, about the market. We do have some big wins, and I have to say, for example, Ethereum blockchain will be more and more interesting, because a judge just dismissed a class action suit against them, which I think is a huge win. And I think that the Web2 people start to understand the technology. Okay, that is very important. The people in power start to understand the technology. We will talk about that as well. Yeah, also I am going to have or hold basic chart learning techniques on one of the Telegram groups. I'm not gonna share on which one just yet, but let me know if you are interested in seeing it. If you are interested in, you know, just learning the basics of how to start, how to read the charts. If you do, then I'm gonna share the Telegram group as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.